welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I installed and did these gorgeous beach waves on this hair. So this wig is from Asteria Hair. They sent me a 26-inch body wave wig. It is a 5x5 HD lace closure unit. Bon appetit, because she's giving, and I love this hair is really nice and flowy. It's super affordable, and she's thick. She's real thick. I love this for me. Like, this hair is just like a staple wig. If you want like a wig that's long, you don't want to do the frontal, and you want like the whole frontal look without the frontal price, and it's giving HD and affordable, this is definitely for you. I love this for me. I know that I could do a side part with this. I could do the middle part, of course. I could just wear this hair and do so many different styles with it. It is super versatile, and I love this for me. So if you want to purchase this gorgeous unit, the links will be in the description box to do so. But let me just stop rambling and let's get into the video. So this is the finished look. This is Asteria's Body Wave 5x5 HD lace closure unit. It is in 26 inches, so it is this long, and we love that for her. She's cute. I like her. I like the little flat twist situation going on up here, and I'm here for it. This hair is actually super thick. She's thick, okay? And this hair is really nice and gorgeous. When I washed it, when I did the plucking, it was super easy, super manageable, and this wig is actually very affordable. So if you'd like to check it out, the links for it will be in the description box below. But so far so good. I have no issues with this hair, and if you want to know anything about this hair, just leave it in the comment section below. But let me just tell you, these baby hairs were easy to do. You guys saw that, and the plucking was super duper easy, and I didn't have to do too much because the wig was, of course, pre-plucked. Asteria always shows out, okay? So I just love this for me. I feel like this look is perfect for a vacation. It's just perfect for a photo shoot, perfect for everyday wear. Like, if you are a long hair babe, then this is definitely for you. But I think that's it. I don't have any issues with this hair. I don't have any problems. It's a 10 out of 10 for me. The lace is to die for. Like, when I tell you this HD lace is HDing, honey, she's doing what she's supposed to do, and I'm here for it. So yeah, I don't have any other comments to make. So this wig is actually really nice. I love it. You should definitely shop with Asteria. Don't forget to check out the links in the description box again if you'd like to purchase. And that is it for today's video. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one.